Okay guys, welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rick. Today, Redmi K30 unboxing on first look. This is the 4G variant. Its price 70,000 Indian rupees. It's 6GB RAM, 128GB storage variant. Basic 6GB RAM and 64GB. Its price 16,000. Also same but 1,000 rupees only extra. And giveaway rule, like this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to miss comment now. Then follow my Instagram and Twitter. You are the winner. Maybe 30 days later I'm inform you. Okay, first look the box front side branding is mentioned. It's a Redmi K30 and very shiny look. Okay, don't waste your time. First I'm open the box. Inside of the box front side mini box here, on mini box front side sim ejecting pin, more inside some paperwork and tube transparent case here. I like free case, maximum protect phone scratches. Then more box inside mobile phone here. I am later look deep side by side. Okay, put the phone side. On more type C cable and AC adapter. 27 watts adapter, but the phone support 30 watts. Okay, overall everything here but headphone only missing. Let's look the phone first. The phone price, it is 70,000, basic model 16,000 Indian rupees. It's good price. Phone back made in glass, not a plastic. It's very cool shiny look. Phone processor Snapdragon 730G. It's the best gaming processor. Phone battery 4500 mAh, but the phone weight only 208 grams. It's no heavy, no bulky feeling. It's a hand-free phone. I am buying this device on global site, so this device support English language. Anyone interested to buy Redmi K30? Don't wait. Directly go global sites and buy this device. It support English language. Let's look at the display. It's 6.67 inches Full HD plus resolution display. It's LCD. This phone running on Android 10 built-in MIUI 10.0.5. 4G and 5G device also support 120Hz refresh rate. It's really cool. Phone top right corner, 12 camera here, main 20 megapixel camera, second 2 megapixel depth sensor. One more thing, this device top is the cutout punch hole camera here, so you want to easily change because it's hide the camera. Yes guys, just go to settings and display settings and you want to change. See guys, totally 3 types here. One is normal, other one is the hide the camera circle, other one is fully hide. But small glitch, it's glitch, but I like it. This camera cutout is really amazing, but Xiaomi not allowed. But it is a small issues for the LED display. Phone backside totally 4 cameras here. Main camera 64 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, that 2 megapixel depth, other one is the 2 megapixel macro shot. Let's look the camera. Normally this device takes shots on 60 megapixel. You want to change 64 megapixel to take photos. Okay, I'm just show some camera samples. What's your opinion guys? Don't forget to comment now.
Hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks.
Overall, my experience is really amazing. Camera sample, battery backup, gaming, everything amazing. But this device doesn't support PUBG game on HDR and ultra mode. Otherwise, it's really amazing device. It's cool. Coming up, I'm upload one more depth review video. Stay tuned.